video lecture, I'm going to explain you how you can write a timer using a VB code in Excel. So you can use this timer for multiple purposes, the task that you want to do. So I've written a simple code over here, which does some animation around that. So let's first understand the code and then see what the animation is about. So let's go to developer and then go to Visual Basic, and here's our code. So sub timer one. So timer one is our subroutine over here, and application dot on time, and then now plus time value, and after 1 second call this new cell. So application dot on time is our routine over here, and then what it does is like it asks us what value after which you want to do a call to new cell. So we want the call to be done to new cell, that is the new subroutine over here which we had written after 1 second has elapsed from current call time. And then what we have done in the new cell is we have used a value from 2020 cell in the active sheet to and assigned it to integer I, and then we have checked whether I is 0 because by default it will be 0, and then it is changing it to 1, and then we are checking whether I is less than 11. Then you do the following things, like you do a no fill for the current cell selection, that is current I selection, you do a no fill. Then you increment I to 1 plus 1, and then write it out with a color, or rather color it out with red, that is color is 255. And then what you do is like you increment the count inside the Excel sheet cell number 2020, and so that we can use the I value update again when we get back into this subroutine. So if I is 11, then you just reroute the active sheet 2020 cell to 1 so that the loop continues like we have looped in right now. And then you have this timer 1, which is you do a call to a timer 1 from here after you end this subroutine function. So let us go back again to our Excel sheet and understand what this animate function does. So on clicking this animate function, okay, I got syntax error over here. I just need to remove this end sub character, save it again, and just play it. So if I go back to this video, Excel sheet, and then I have got this animation done. So here you can see that the cells are keeping on getting highlighted by red, and this is animation going on over here, and the count is getting incremented by 1 every time. Every time this cell changes the count, it proceeds to the next cell, colors it red, and removes the color from the previous cell. So in this way you can use the timer function to do animations, or put up a clock over here, put up a reminder. So go ahead and download this Excel sheet, learn more about this code, and use it in your own applications. Thanks for